Yarn art. Weave yarn into a masterpiece. You'll need 2 sticks, yarn, glue, and scissors. Step 1. Cross the sticks in a plus sign. Add glue so they stay together. Let the glue dry. Step 2. Hold the end of a piece of yarn against the middle of the plus sign. Use your other hand to wrap the yarn around about 4 times. Step 3. Wrap yarn around one stick, then under and around the next one, then over and around the next one, and so on. Keep weaving over and under to create a square. Step 4. When the square is the size you want, weave the end of the piece of yarn through a piece of yarn on the back to keep it in place. Bonus! Repeat the steps to add a different color of yarn. Happy crafting!